Bobby Christina Brown, the daughter of the late singer Whitney Houston, was found unresponsive in the bathtub in her Georgia home Saturday before being rushed to a hospital, police said. Brown's husband, Nick Gordon, and a friend found her in the tub around 10:20 a.m. and started CPR, said a spokesperson. Police and rescue personnel arrived at the subdivision and performed life-saving measures before Bobby Christina, 21, was resuscitated and brought to a nearby hospital. Detectives don't believe foul play was involved, and the incident is being treated as a medical investigation. No further information about Brown's condition was made available. The last that police were called was on January 23rd when there was a reported fight. Brown's scare comes less than 2 weeks before the 3rd anniversary of her mother's death. Stay tuned to Bossip for the latest in this developing story.